guys, what is up? Nick here from the eBusiness Boss channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about Instagram and how you can use it for Amazon FBA. A lot of people don't realise that people are doing all sorts with Instagram nowadays in relation to Amazon. So you can rank products, you can boost products, you can actually gain fully verified 5-star, 4-star reviews if your product's good, using tactics that I'm going to talk about in this video. So these are some of the methods that I've been using. I've found that they've worked really well. We've been using them in our business for a little while, and yeah, I thought I'd share it with you guys and see if it would be some use to you. So I'm not claiming it's going to work for everyone, but this is how we do it and this is what we've found success with. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, you're going to need an Instagram page. If you haven't got one, you can't do it. So if you haven't got one, go and get one. The Instagram page we're talking about is going to be for your brand. So you've got a brand on Amazon FBA. Say you've got a collection of 5 products. They're branded all under the same niche. For argument's sake, let's just say they're dog toys and your brand name is Feisty Fido. I don't know if that's a brand and I've just completely made that up. So sorry if that's your brand, but yeah, just for this sort of example, we'll go with that. So set yourself up with an Instagram page, Feisty Fido. Fill it with loads of pictures of dogs or funny things that anyone interested in buying sort of toys for their pets might find interesting. Make your Instagram look good. So fill it with content. I normally aim for maybe 20 posts. I try and post every day before I look at reaching out to influencers. So you've got your niche, you've got your Instagram page. Now you're going to need to do a little bit of research. Keyword research, hashtag research, whatever you want to call it, it's the next step. So head onto Instagram, search in the explore bar at the top of the page some terms that anyone that has an interest in dogs or dog toys, or maybe someone that owns a dog, might be hashtagging in any of their posts or pictures. Probably like me, you might follow particular hashtags that you have an interest in. And lots of people do the same. So if you're putting out images that are relevant to those hashtags and people find them funny, and you're adding those hashtags into posts, people are going to find them that are potentially interested in your products. So at this stage, you should probably highlight maybe 10, 15, 20 hashtags that are super relevant to your niche. Stick them in a spreadsheet, put them to one side because you're going to need them. So next up, you're going to want to find influencers with sort of, I'd say, anything under 10,000 followers within your niche. So go and look for maybe 5 to 10 sorts of dog related pages, because we're going with the Feisty Fido example that I've spoken about. Go and find some influencers. Find some interesting looking pages with maybe 5, 6, 7, 8,000 followers. They've got a decent engagement rate, and by that I mean looking at their last 3 posts, they've got at least 10 comments, 5 comments, just so that basically we can be pretty sure that these pages aren't fake, filled with sort of bot subscribers and really they haven't got any engagement at all, because that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for genuine Instagram profiles that are actually interacting with their community. So put together a spreadsheet of any influencers that you think fit this criteria. So they've got under 10,000 followers. I mean, I go anything between 1,000 and 10,000 followers. Reach out to them in a DM and say, hey, love your page, find your stuff really funny. I'd love to send you this product for free if you'd be happy to do a post or a video about it. But I'd like to be able to repurpose it for marketing purposes, blah, 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 blah. Start DMing, start sending out messages to anyone that you've sort of highlighted as someone that fits the mold, and you will start getting responses. So some people will come back and say, yeah, I'll do that for you, but it's going to cost you $100, £100. Yeah, I'll do that. It's going to cost you £1,000. So the brilliant thing about influencers is they don't really know what they're worth. So some will say, yeah, but I'm going to have to charge you X amount. Others will say, yeah, I'll just have the free product and do a post. And to start with, that's all we're interested in. people that will post a picture of them using the product to their audience and say, yeah, I've just got this from brand Feisty Fido. I think it's really cool. Post the picture. Post whatever it is. I mean, you've got to let them have sort of free reign to post the sort of content they like to post to their audience, but they'll put that on their timeline. And by doing that, here are some of the benefits. So, first of all, on your brand's Instagram profile, you're going to want to have either your Amazon brand page URL in the bio, or you're going to want to have a URL that leads to a landing page where you can capture any potential person's email and send them to the relevant product. So the second method is a bit more advanced. I'd just stick with your Amazon brand page, just so that when your influencer posts a picture of your product, tags you in it at the top of their post, at Feisty Fido, some of their followers is going to go onto Feisty Fido, find your page, click on your Amazon brand page, and go onto your Amazon store and maybe order some products for themselves. That's what we want. So through this process, it's actually, I think, one of the most underpriced marketing opportunities, maybe of the last sort of few years at least. You're sending these people products. You're not actually having to pay them to post if you're finding the right type of influencers and you're sort of spending enough time talking to people, giving them some sort of value. They're posting a picture of your product. So from that, you're going to gain Instagram followers. You're going to obtain sales through an external sales channel, Instagram to Amazon. Their followers, if it looks good, are going to buy your product. So sales. Remember, all it's cost you is the actual cost of the product and sending it to the influencer. So that is the beginning of the relationship. Make a spreadsheet of any influencers that are happy to do it, and you can keep working with them. I know people that actually launch products just using influencers. So there's loads of benefits. If you have a load of people go through from the influencer onto your brand page and they actually end up buying your products, like I say, it's external traffic. Amazon loves external traffic. You're going to benefit from a boost in rank, a boost in sales, and if you're doing it right, you're going to obtain reviews. So an extra tactic I'll quickly talk about, and I will finish off here, I will finish off after this point, is a method of actually obtaining reviews by using this method. So if you're doing this for sort of a certain amount of time, you've built up quite a decent Instagram following, you've got a good network of influencers that you can work with, what you can do is run a story on your Instagram page and say, have you bought X product? So for us, it might be the Feisty Fido dog chew toy. Put up a picture of it, give them an option, to leave a poll and say, have you bought this product? Yes or no. Anyone that hits yes, you can follow up with them in DMs, like maybe your email sort of sequence would follow up with them on Amazon, but just start a conversation with anyone that's bought it. See how they got on with the product. If it's gone well, ask them to leave a review, just a genuine review. We're not trying to go against TOS. We're not trying to do anything wrong. We're just trying to speak to more of our customers. And that's what it's about. You need to be using social media to interact and communicate with your customers. Sounds good? I think that sounds pretty good. I've had some awesome results. We've had some awesome results from using this method. And I thought you guys would find it useful. So I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, do us a favour, hit the like button. And if you're interested in this sort of content, we're committed to uploading useful videos every week. Subscribe to the eBusiness Boss channel. We appreciate every one of you. Any video requests or anything like that, leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching, guys.